Blockchain is slow, expensive, and burns a ton of energy, right? But what if the technology that replaces it is already here, and it's being run by Google? Sup, freaks? Paul Daniel here, your awkward software engineer, and this is NeonFreak Byte, where we tackle the topics that shake your reality. Because if the future of the internet is already being built, I want to know who's holding the blueprints. Today, we're diving into Hedera Hashgraph, the project using a radical new technology and a controversial corporate council to build the high-speed trust layer for our entire digital future. Is this excitement real? You're in the right place if that intrigues you, so if you haven't already, make sure you hit subscribe. All right, let's get weird and bite this. In a sprawling smart city of 2035, a delivery drone zips through a dedicated airspace corridor. To do its job, it needs to make dozens of transactions every minute. It pays a fraction of a cent to a weather satellite for a real-time wind shear update. It pays another microcent to the city's traffic control artificial intelligence for a flight path adjustment. When it arrives at the apartment building, it pays another fraction of a cent to the building's security system to verify its identity and unlock the automated delivery hatch. There are no credit cards, no banks, no two-day settlement times. It's a constant, seamless, high-speed economic conversation between machines. This isn't just science fiction. It's the kind of machine-to-machine economy that today's blockchain technology is far too slow and expensive to handle. But a different kind of technology is being built specifically for this future. That drone story illustrates the problem Hedera Hashgraph was built to solve. For years, distributed ledger technology has faced what we call the blockchain trilemma. You can have decentralization, security, and scalability, but you can only pick two. Bitcoin is secure and decentralized, but slow. Other chains are faster, but might sacrifice security or decentralization. Hedera's approach is different. It doesn't use a blockchain at all. It uses something called a hash graph, invented by its co-founder, Dr. Lehman Baird. Instead of a slow, single chain of blocks, imagine information spreading like gossip, exponentially fast. This gossip about gossip protocol allows Hedera to achieve mind-blowing performance. Imagine a network that can handle tens of thousands of transactions a second for a fraction of a penny, with finality in 3 to 5 seconds, all while using the same energy as a handful of light bulbs. That's the promise of Hedera's Hashgraph. It's not just a better blockchain, it's a completely different kind of engine for the future. So, with this incredible technology, what's the strategy? This is where Hedera made a choice that's both brilliant and, for some crypto purists, deeply controversial. To achieve stability and trust, Hedera is governed by a council of up to 39 of the world's most powerful and respected organizations. We're talking titans like Google, IBM, Dell, Boeing, LG, and major universities. These giants run the initial nodes and guide the network's future. The incredible benefit? Unprecedented credibility. When a Fortune 500 company wants to build a critical supply chain application, they're not going to bet on some anonymous network. They're going to look for stability and accountability. Hedera's big play is that crypto's biggest problem isn't tech, it's trust. Their solution? Get Google, IBM, and Boeing to co-sign the network. While this enrages some decentralization purists, it might be this master stroke that finally lets this technology break out of the crypto niche and take over the global economy. This combination of radical speed and corporate trust unlocks a future of applications that feel like pure science fiction. This isn't just about tokens. This is the trust layer for an entire economy of machines. When your artificial intelligence assistant needs to instantly buy data from another AI to plan your trip, that transaction could happen on Hedera. When a smart contract needs to verify the authenticity of a luxury good you spent thousands of dollars on, it can be tracked on Hedera. When billions of Internet of Things devices need to communicate and transact securely, they can do it on Hedera. We're talking about the foundational plumbing for tokenized real-world assets, decentralized identity, and real-time supply chains. The disruption here is the exciting part. Think of the old, slow, expensive intermediary systems in banking, logistics, and digital rights that this could make obsolete. It's about building a more efficient, more direct digital world. The core question this leaves us with isn't whether the tech is powerful, but whether this unique blend of decentralization and corporate governance is the key to finally bringing the promise of Web3 into our everyday reality. Could a technology like Hedera be used to create hyper-efficient central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs? This could streamline our economy, but it also brings up huge questions about privacy and government oversight in a world of programmable money. Hedera's tech is being used to tokenize real-world assets, RWAs, like real estate or fine art. Imagine a future where you can buy and sell fractional ownership of a skyscraper or a Picasso painting just as easily as you could buy a stock. This could completely democratize investment in illiquid assets. And what about the metaverse or gaming? For a true virtual economy to work, you need massive numbers of low-cost, high-speed microtransactions for in-game items, digital assets, and event tickets. Is a network like Hedera the only way to build a truly scalable metaverse economy? If AIs begin to operate autonomously on a network like Hedera, trading data and value with each other, could they form their own economy completely separate from ours? What happens when the machines don't need our money anymore because they have their own, a more efficient system? So yeah, a new potential backbone for the future internet, built for speed and efficiency and backed by the most powerful names in the world. It's pretty freaky. What's the most mind-blowing application for a super-fast enterprise-grade network like Hedera? Is it gaming? Artificial intelligence economies? Something else entirely? Tell me in the comments. I promise I'll respond to as many of you as I can. You want more Neon? More of me? Please hit like and subscribe to the channel. I need you. Yes, you. Come join me in this freak show. Next time, we're taking a bite out of the ancient apocalypse. Yeah. So, brace yourself. Stay curious and always remember, you're a fucking freak. And in my mind, that's the best thing to be.